I've only watched one other person be that good on the back tire.
It's just about balance.
Dakota?
Is he saying wheelies aren't hard? Come on, let me see you do a wheelie then, bruv. Let's go, we got more riders out here.
You should teach him how to balance like that, because he's trying to learn.
You're trying to learn how to wheelie?
He's trying to learn how to balance like you were just doing.
Ah.
You use 12 o'clock?
12 o'clock, yeah. You got a rear brake on that or no?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's what you need.
I'm getting a little better, but I ain't that damn good.
That's a lot of practice and falling, so.
You already know how to do it. Yeah. We just need to get you some brakes, nigga. Rear pad.
Yes, sir. Said this bike sounds like a mini 450.
What is this? Mine sounds like a mini bike with bells and whistles.
Yeah. Hey, your bike sounds like Santa, bro.
Man, I'm good.
Bro, you got a Christmas mobile right there. Christmas mini bike. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Lies, AK Motor, bro. We're on the 150. We got some homies out here on the Apollo. Let's go! And we got a homie on the mini bike. You know the vibe. We're out here, boy. Yes, sir. They're probably thinking like, yo, he can wheelie, bro. Let's go. Say what?
I'm so jealous.
You got it, you got it. I had to shred for the homies, you know. You first. Oh. Oh, I love these little Chinese pit bikes, bro. Woo, trail riding with the boys. Oh my God, I got new Vans on, bro. I got new Vans on. Bro, I got new Vans.
What do you have those on for?
They're brand new.
Why?
They're my riding shoes.
You come out riding with brand new shoes?
Well, listen.
Look at right here.
No, listen. My old pair was ripped, so I'll get
Warm. What size are you?
10 and a half. So you got to get a new.
I might have a pair for you to use.
Nah, bro, these are meant to get dirty.
Okay, but you just
No, but I'm saying, you know when you got new shoes, you don't want to get them dirty. It's like when you got new shoes, you don't want to get them dirty, but these shoes are made to get dirty. If you feel my vibe. Bro, he's ripping. No, that mini bike. A little trail wheel ski right there. Oh Lord, bro.
I'm like, why is it going slow?
The boys are out here. This is real Florida right here. I'll be off-road in a mini bike, bro. They got no rear shock. Just straight gooning. His chain is flopping. Oh, I think his chain fell off. Let's go! We almost had the 180.
I've only watched one other person be that good on the back tire.
It's just about balance.
Dakota can do that shit, dog.
Is he saying wheelies aren't hard? Come on, let me see you do a wheelie then, bruv. You saying wheelies ain't hard, bro? Trust me.
My buddy Dakota is good.
No, you can get good at them, but you gotta, it takes time, you know? It takes practice, time.
Well, that was from a couple of weekends ago out here.
Oh, you looped?
Yeah. I was back and I didn't have my foot on the brake, and my feet hit the ground, and I tried to run behind it, but I let off the gas, and I wasn't quick enough to jump back.
Yeah.
The bike fell back down, it pulled me, and I didn't have a helmet on either.
Ooh.
That was my hand or my head.
Yeah, rather the hand than the head. 100% with that. Alright, I just left the freaking mini bike homies, and homie was talking like, he was low-key talking some shit like, yo, it's easy to wheelie, it just takes balance. And I'm like, bro, like, how are you gonna say that, bro? I know you can't wheelie, you know. But I don't know, this is what it is. I was about to be like, bro, hop on my bike right now, I'll give you $1,000 if you could pull up, because I know you can. I want to see you do this. You feel me? You feels me? I want to see you do that, bruv. And don't call me out again. You heard? Don't call me out. Almost ran into your ass, bro. What's good, bro?
You know, a beautiful day.
Yes, sir. Can you pull it up still? You can't even ride it no more. You don't know how to ride it.
I tried to put my headphone in.
Oh, yeah. Alright, well, here's the boy. Yeah. Jimbo about to ride the 150.
You ever seen someone crash a 150 before?
Don't say that. Don't say that. Screw it, I'm gonna hop on the Grom. Gosh, dude, the Grom is so weird. I don't know how he rides this, bro. Like a stock Grom compared to a fully like caged Grom. I hate cages on Groms, bro. It just makes the bike feel terrible. Yeah, it's hard. How'd it feel?
Bro, I think it feels crazy.
It's powerful, right? For like such a
So powerful.
small bike. Yeah, it feels like a mini 450, bro.
Dude,
Just
like that thing's got some balls. Like I could tell it just wanted to come off the ground. Like,
oh, you don't even have to hold the clutch in. You can just gas it. Yeah.
brought the tank up.
Yeah, dude. I was talking hella shit while I was riding it, but don't worry. Oh my god. Hell no. You want to go through the muddy section. Holy crap. Little whiskey, let it go.